Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here at businesswithtrading.com, doing a trading strategy recap for the 8th of July, Wednesday, and today was a very interesting day. It made it even more interesting because the NYSE was halted for a few hours. That's kind of odd, but it happens. Thankfully, we don't really trade in the afternoons, doesn't really matter. You know, we I stepped back just because, I wanted to make some option trades, but, it is what it is. But anyway, let's talk about what we did in our E-mini trading room. First, the market did gap down and chopped sideways for, basically sideways to lower the entire morning. We were able to take 3 trades and pull 4.25 points out of the market. Basically took 2 longs, 1 short, and our first trade happened right over here. As the market started to come higher, we did get long right up in here, and we got out towards the top of this candle, and then we kind of watched things a little bit. We got short right up here, right here, actually almost at the top of this candle, and we were able to take profit on the way down. Obviously it came down a little more, but it happens. And then price basically just shopped around. We watched it, we watched this, and we watched it come up a little bit, and then it came down. We ended up getting long as it came up, so right up in here, and we took profit towards the top of this. It is what it is. Basically what we're doing is, as the market comes up, as it starts to roll over, it stops us into profit, and then it comes down a little bit more. We're not just, oh, I had my order at the top of this candle and we just got out. What a great trade. No, that's not what we did. As price did move up, we did move up our stop, and we ended up getting out actually almost very close. We got out here right here at 1/2, so pretty close to the top of the candle since it was at 2 even. But it's one of those things. It either continues or it doesn't. If it doesn't, there's very high likelihood of this happening. Sometimes it can even be a little bit weaker. And that's what I was looking at. And that's really what trading is about, is being able to adhere to your trading plan, to your strategy, your method, and just knowing that going by your method, by your trading strategy, that over time you're going to make money. And that's what it's all about. I talk about trading should be simple. It should be so easy a middle schooler could pick it up pretty quickly. And quickly is a relative term. Quickly, a month, 3 months, 5 months. But should be able to be picked up. And that's how I look at trading. Is that a lot of people try to make it very complicated. And why is that? I don't really know. There's a lot of different factors out there involved. But because trading, it's comparable to professional sports. Just because it's difficult. We looked at the stats in the Post the other day. Less than 1% make it to the NFL. Less than 1% make it to the NBA. 2% of people play Division I college sports. And that's Division I college sports all around. And and only 7% of high school athletes make it to college playing athletics. Those numbers are very small. And in trading, those who make it into a professional trader, and I look at professional trader as someone who is able to make a living off of trading and provide the lifestyle that they want for themselves and their families. That's what I see a professional trader as. And being able to achieve that only the top, 5-10% of people actually are able to accomplish that. There, I've met some that, their trading is very haphazard. They make some money, make some money, make some money, then lose it all in a month or two. Then they do the process again, make money, make money, make money, month or two, lose it all. Now trading is something that is ongoing. And it's very relatable to tennis because tennis is ongoing. Tennis, they go to a tournament, somebody wins the tournament, they play some singles matches, then they go to another tournament, somebody wins the tournament, then they play some singles matches, then they go to another tournament. And it basically is just ongoing, which is very interesting. You have, and I think that they're trying to have a summer league or an off-season league, in the NFL and NBA. I've heard stuff, but you hear stuff all the time. It doesn't really matter until it happens. But they have time off. They have an off season. Your baseball has an off season. Basketball has an off season. And trading doesn't really have an off season until you go on vacation. When you go on vacation, that's your off season. And trading is something that's different than a lot of other things because trading, you get to pick your off season. So you can say, okay, well, I'm going to go on vacation 5 months this year. So that means for 7 months, that's all of the money that you're going to make. So you need to have the strategy that kind of goes around that. So anyway, I know I jumped around a little bit. Hopefully something made sense to you. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.